Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you how to archive payments on PayPal. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to archive your payments here inside or in PayPal, well, this one is quite easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and just go to paypal.com and log into your account. Now, once you're inside PayPal, you want to go to the left side here. You want to go to Activity, and this will show you the following options. Now you want to go and choose the option that says all transactions. Now this will list all of your transactions. Now what do you need to do? Well, in here you should be able to see your transactions, and at the left side of your transaction you should see some form of checkboxes. Now you want to go ahead and just select the checkbox of the transaction that you may want to go ahead and archive, and from then on, once you do add a check to it, you want to go and click on the archive button that you see at the top of your screen. Now, once you click on archive, this will archive those transactions. You go and select multiple transactions if you want to, but that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and share button, and watch our next video.